US dollars multiplied by 58 pesos per dollar is equivalent to 754 billion pesos. Hindi ko na kaya bilangin yun. Anyway, do not shrink what is possible to fit your mind. Expand your mind so that you can fit what's possible. How many of you here believe that you were born a champion?
Yes.
Makita sa kamay? Ako yun, parang wala masyadong paniniwala. Ulitin ko yung tanong. How many of you here believe that you were born a champion? With hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of your brothers and sisters, from your dad's sperm going to your mom's fertilized egg cell, you beat everybody. That's why you're here. Nakipagsiksikan ka sa mga kapatid mo, nakipagtulakan ka sa mga kapatid mo, eventually, you get born. So you're born a champion. Ikaw ang nanalo. Lahat ng kapatid mo, natalo mo. Kaya ka pinanganak na champion. You guys believe that?
Yes.
Kanina, habang nakikinig ako dun sa mga speakers natin, kay Engineer Jing, kay Process, kay Jason, kay Pastor Eric, I can't help but recall my initial experiences as a public speaker. Alam niyo, sabi ko kanina, grabe. Itong mga tao na to na nagsimula kanina to hold the microphone, be up here on stage. I'd like you guys to really hear what I'm gonna say next. Lahat po kayo ay hindi hamak na mas magagaling compared sa akin when I was just starting. Dati hindi ako marunong mag-construct ng tamang grammar. Ang ginagawa ko lang, pinapakiramdaman ko yung sinasabi ko, pag masakit sa tenga, mali. Pero hindi ko naiintindihan yung tamang pagko-construct ng grammar. But then again, I believe formal education will give you a living. Self-education will give you a fortune.
Yes. Yes.
You guys agree? Yes. Some of you are here, fully present. Your entire being is here in this room this afternoon. Maybe some of you are here physically, but your mind is floating somewhere else. Meron bang mga nandito nakatulala? Nakatingin sa akin, but your mind is thinking of something else. When you are that person, then let me remind you, you are wasting your life. A person who is actually everywhere is nowhere. Nandito ka, but you're somewhere else. I'd like to encourage each one of you in the next 45 minutes to 3 hours. Sabi ko sa oh no, talapos tayo sa budget natin sa event. In the next 45 minutes, I'd like everybody to be fully present. Mentally, physically, and even spiritually. Because I guarantee, when you learn and apply the principles that I will be sharing with you this afternoon, your life can change dramatically. You guys want that?
Yes.
How many of you would like to make $1 million a month?
Yes.
Yung iba kulang ang 1 million? How many of you would like to make $5 million a month? Ulitin ko yung sinabi ko kanina para mas ma-digest nyo. Do not shrink what is possible to fit your mind. Expand your mind so that you can fit what is possible. While skills is very important, totoo po, kailangan natin ng skills. And yet, all these successful gurus in the world will tell you, success is 90% psychology, 10% skills.
Yes.
One of my virtual mentors, Tony Robbins, he said, success is 80% psychology, 20% strategy. Being motivated is useless if you don't know what to do.
Yes.
Knowing what to do is useless if you're not motivated to act.
Yes. Right.
You're not here to learn. You're here to immediately apply the things that you will learn until it becomes your way of life, your second nature. Di ba ako galit, ha? I'm just really intense. I'm passionate because of my more than 2 decades in this industry. I can proudly say, ngayon lang ako nabalil ng gusto dahil sa isang kumpanya. Ibang klase sa naman.
Yes.
Sige nga, pakita nyo nga sa akin yung number 1 value ng ATV. Energy is money! If you don't have the energy to apply, if you don't have the energy to learn, how will you have the energy to apply what you learn?
Yes.
Tama. You cannot be passive when it comes to learning. Because when you are passive, nothing will stick. This is when you need to be fully engaged. Kahit nakaupo kayo dyan, ako yung may hawak ng microphone, this is not my module. This is not my session. This is our module. This is our session. Your job is to absorb almost, if not everything that I will share, and find ways to immediately apply this in your life, because the new results that you want to happen will only happen when you become a better version of yourself.
Yes. Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Today, over the course of many years, from childhood to your professional career and to where you are now, you have developed a certain personality. Tama po ba yun?
Yes.
Your personality creates your personal reality. If you want your personal reality to change, you must first change your personality. And personality is the sum total of how you think, how you feel, and how you act. Ibig sabihin, kung gusto mong mabago yung level of income mo, kailangan baguhin mo ang pag-iisip mo, baguhin mo ang energy mo, at baguhin mo ang galaw mo. Am I making sense so far?
Yes.
Hindi mo kikitain yung 500,000 naman. Hindi mo kikitain yung 1 million naman if you will just keep on applying the same personality that got you to where you are now. Something must change. And change starts here. Correct. So today, let's talk about the mindset of a champion. You guys believe you're a champion?
Yes.
Yes.
Doon sa mga sumasagot, alam ko na kung sino dito magiging diet na mabilis. Do you guys believe that you are a champion?
Yes.
Do you believe that you're a champion, Mommy?
Yes.
Do you believe that you're a champion, Joey? Yung iba, sagot, yeah. Do you believe that you're a champion?
Yes.
You were born a champion. The next thing that you need to learn is what kind of a mindset do you need to have so that you can remain a champion. Sino na ang kilala kay Carlos Yulo?
Yes.
Sino? Pakita sa kamay. Nakikita niyo ba sa social media si Carlos Yulo? Grabe! Almost every single business would like to be connected to Carlos Yulo. Because now, he is an Olympic gold medalist. 2 gold. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Kapag ka nagsasakripisyo ka pa, and you're still struggling to become a winner, support is not wrong. And yet, the moment you made it, everybody's saying, congratulations. Tama po ba yun? When you're still struggling, when you're still trying to find your prospects, when you're facing all these rejections, even your closest friends will sometimes deny their association with you. Tama. Nakaka-relate po ba kayo? And yet, when you become ultimately successful, everybody will say, they know you. Ano po yun? Kaya ako nakaka-relate na gusto because for the information of everybody, dati po kami sarili kong network marketing company. I used to have my company in Dubai, in Indonesia, Hong Kong, and then Philippines, and Indonesia. At the height of the success of my company, my God, people queue just to have an opportunity to take a picture with me. Ganun talaga eh. Pag marami kang pera, ika baby, marami kang kaibigan. Kaya sinasabi, money is relative. The more money you have, the more relatives you have. Nung nalugi yung kumpanya ko, these same people who used to call me their mentor is nowhere to be found. In fact, they don't even want to associate themselves with me. Mga ilang taon din yun. Di wala nagpaparanggal sa akin sa Facebook. Now that my career is going up again, suddenly here comes messages in my messenger saying, thank you, mentor, for everything that you have taught me. Hindi na naman siya. Right? Grabe. So, ngayong araw na to, ngayong hapon na to, very, very important to because katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, if I can only transfer what's in my mind and what's in my heart to each one of you, this month, your minimum rank is Sapphire. Next month, your minimum rank is Ruby. Next month, your minimum rank is Emerald. And that means you can possibly become a new diamond within the year. Do you guys believe that? It starts with a mindset. So, one, this is what I said. Champions are not made in gyms. Totoo yan. You'll know you're a champion when there's no spotlight. When there's no cheering crowd. When the room is dark. When no one is encouraging you to keep on pursuing your heart's desire. Sino nakaka-relate dyan? Yung mga sleepless nights na pinagdududahan mo yung sarili mo if you truly made the right decision to join this industry. Especially pagkatapos ng napakaraming rejections. Isang araw na-declare ka, this month, I will hit Ruby. This month, I will hit Sapphire. And then you ended up hitting Garnet. And then you're gonna start asking yourself, totoo ba yung ginagawa ko? Tama ba itong desisyon ko? Ipagpapatuloy ko pa ba ito? That's when champions are made. Up here, you're just recognized publicly what you are practicing in private. Tama po. So let's talk about principle number 1. Clarity. Is it clear to you why you are here? Klaro ba sa inyo? Bakit nandito kayo sa training na to ngayong hapon? When your reasons are not clear, hindi nyo masyadong ma-maximize yung mga lessons na pwede nyo matutunan. But when you are crystal clear with the reasons why you are attending this training, I'm telling you, even without writing down notes, you can practically almost memorize everything that I will share. I'll give you an example. 2002, medyo matagal na kasi, 2002, I attended Engineer Eric, a breakthrough training in Genting, Malaysia. 9 nights and 10 days. Grabe, dun sa buong 10 days na yun, naranasan ko paano maging vegetarian. Bawal ang karne. Hindi ko makakalimutan. That was my first exposure to neuro-linguistic programming. It's a science that talks about instant and long-lasting change. I fell in love with the process. I fell in love with the skills and abilities of the facilitator. I was so immersed the whole time. Imagine niyo po ito 10 araw na experiential training, wala akong notes. We're like 75 participants from more than a dozen countries. Engineer Eric, you will not believe it. From all these participants coming from all these countries, I was the only student who was able to replicate the whole process, even without notes. Bakit? Klaro po sa akin kung bakit ako nandun. Another example. After attending that facilitator's advanced training in Genting, Malaysia, here comes another training that's going to happen in Goa, India, April 2002. I needed to sell one of my cars so that I can attend that training. My family, my colleagues cannot understand why I need to sell a car just so I can participate a training that's going to happen abroad. And I told them, you don't need to understand me. I know exactly what I'm doing. Yung kotse na binenta ko para maka-attend doon sa training na yun, eventually got replaced by several better cars. Bakit? Dahil maliwanag po sa akin. Jason, Pastor Eric, Process, and Engineer G. You guys are so inspiring earlier when you're up here. You are a champion already. But the clarity of your reasons why you want to be up here on stage is what will motivate you to keep on honing your skills so that one day you can be called a world-class public speaker. Talagang grabe, binalikan ko lahat. Alam nyo yung you can bring me anywhere in the world and I can train people. Looking back, I don't even know how to construct a sentence with proper grammar. Dahil klaro sa akin, saan ko gustong pupunta. Would you like to know what my dream income is every month?
Yes.
Would you like to know how much do I want to make every month?
How much?
I want to make $1 million a month.
Wow.
I want to make $1 million a month, not just from my Amare commission. I want to be paid a lot because of what I do as a public speaker. Personality development industry is already worth $4 billion US, not annually, but monthly. The personality development industry will be worth $6 to $8 billion US dollars a month in the next 5 to 7 years. If you will only decide to unleash your God-given talents, capabilities, skills, and gifts, you will literally astonish or surprise yourself. So please, stop selling yourself short. Hindi mo pwedeng tigilan mo na yung kakasabi na hindi kasi ako magaling kumawak ng microphone. Lahat ng bagay natututunan.
Yes.
Provided you are clear with your reasons. Reasons come first, answers come second. So palagay nyo, nag-i-invest ng hundreds and hundreds of millions of US dollars si David Chung kung hindi klaro sa kanya ang gusto niya mangyari.
Yes.
He's very clear with what he wants to happen. He wants Amare Products to be a household brand in the next 5 to 10 years. Klaro ba sa inyo na talagang gusto nyo maging business partner si David Chung?
Yes.
Ang business partner natin is a multi-billionaire in US dollars. Hindi tayo bagay na maging partner ng multi-billionaire kung hindi natin babaguhin ang mindset natin.
Yes.
Can you please look at the person seated beside you? Look at that person eye to eye. Make an eye contact with that person. And you say to each other, you are a champion. Come on! Pag sinabi mo, paniwalaan mo yung sinasabi mo. Pag sinabi sa'yo, paniwalaan mo rin. Because to a lot of people, when it comes to success, the most difficult part to do is to believe that they can actually succeed. So you need to be clear. Yes, you want your dreams to happen. Maybe you would want to one day build your dream home. You would want to take your dream vacation. You would want to travel the world like our Green Diamond Jenny Hyman. But it must be very, very clear to you what are the things you are willing to do to make your dreams happen. I have seen people starting this business very, very excited. But I admire your consistency until now, after many, many years in this industry. This guy is still saying, exciting! Exciting! Kailan nyo nakitang malulupan si Brother Shah? He's always excited. Because where he wants to go is very clear to him. Yung iba, after many months of doing the business, nahihirapan na magsabi ng exciting. Why? Because their focus is already on the sacrifices that they're making instead of focusing on the price waiting for them. Do not focus on the price that you need to pay. Focus on the price waiting for you. Klaro ba sa inyo? Prospecting, inviting, presenting, follow-up, closing, getting started, building for events. Tama? Memorya ito kayong module din eh.
Yes.
Events. When you're not yet a diamond, you need the events. When you become a diamond, the events need you.
Yes.
Habang pumapalang pa kayo, I would like you to make a decision. Is it really clear to you that you're willing to pay the price? Is it really clear to you that you are committed to your personal transformation?
Yes.
Is it really clear to you that you must be the one motivating yourself day in and day out, regardless of your initial results? Kasi kung hindi po yan klaro, lagi ka maghihintay ng message ni Upline. Ba't kaya hindi tayo nimotivate yung mentor natin? Your mentor's job is not to motivate you. Your mentor's job is to teach you how you can motivate yourself. So every time I speak in front, maybe some of you are feeling inspired. Maybe some of you are feeling motivated. My job is not to motivate. I'm not looking for people to motivate. I'm looking for people who are already motivated. And these people are internally motivated because what they want to happen in the next 6 months, in the next 12 months, in the next 36 months, in the next 16 months is very, very, very clear to them. Clarity is power. The clearer you are with what you want, the more power you will have. Naranasan niyo na po ba pumunta sa isang appointment na klaro-klaro sa isip niyo kung ano yung mangyayari? Naranasan niyo na yung po lumabas ng bahay na wala kang idea kung saan ka pupunta? Magkaiba yung energy mo. Lumabas ka ng bahay, alam mo, ito pag nakausap mo itong tao, ito pag ito sumayin na, sasabog ang grupo. Klaro, iba yung power mo, iba yung lakad mo, iba yung conviction. Pero yung lalabas ka ng bahay, saan kaya ako hahanap ng prospect? Kulang na lang maghanap ka ng lata na sisipahin mo habang lalakad ka. Tama. Klaro po ba sa inyo? Is it clear to you that every dream has a timeline?
Yes.
You want to be a timer?
Yes.
Do you guys want to be a timer?
Yes.
A diamond is making on the average between 500,000 pesos to 900,000 pesos. Gusto ko maging totoo kayo sa sarili niyo. I'd like to be true to all of you. Hindi ka kikita ng 500,000 pesos a month kung hindi klaro sa iyo ang mga sakripisyo na kailangan mong gawin araw-araw until your dream income actually happens. Dumating kami ni Jenny rito kahapon, Friday. Thursday, we had the first face-to-face meeting with our new country manager. Imagine po, kakapasok pa lang ng country manager sa opisina, 2 araw pa lang nagre-report. Our first meeting with her lasted for almost 8 hours. Dahil sa mga napag-usapan namin ng country manager, hindi na kami nakatulog ni Jenny. Hanggang lilipat na kami, sabi ko, finally, hindi madaling araw ang flight natin hapon. Pwede tayo matulog. Akala ko, dahil hapon ng flight, makatulog kami. Si Jenny Jaime, alas 8 na ng umaga ng Friday, nagme-message pa sa akin. Si Shanghai, alas 2 na ng madaling araw, ayaw pa magtumigil magsalita sa messenger. Sabi mo, aga pa, coach. Aga pa, wala pa 3 o'clock. Sabi ko, hindi naman ako jujuin dyan, pupuyatin naman ako Shanghai. Kagabi, finally, I said, there's an event tomorrow, I'm gonna sleep early. Kahit anong pikit ng mata ko. Pag pumipikit ako, nakikita ko yung event ng ADB ngayong araw. Alas 4 na ng madaling araw, ayaw pa rin tumigil. Alas 5 na ng madaling araw, ayaw pa rin tumigil. I ended up having breakfast at 6 o'clock. Finally, 8:30 in the morning. 8:30. Nakaidip ako, nagising ako 11:30. So I had 3 hours. You know how many sunsets I took? Para lang makatulog. I took 12 sunsets, hindi pa rin tumalab. Because what I want to happen in this afternoon's training is very clear. I want to empower each one of you so that from this day forward, you carry the mindset, you carry the belief, and you carry the heart of a champion. Ikaw ang champion ng buhay mo. Ikaw ang champion ng pangarap mo. Ikaw ang champion ng pamilya mo. If you're not clear with what you're doing here, you will never have the conviction to pay the price. Nagsasabi ako ng totoo because maraming tao ang gustong maging successful but they are not willing to pay the price. Next, habits. What do you think are the habits that you need to start doing so that you can remain a champion? Can you give me an example of a habit that will help you become a champion? One word. Come on, let's go. Determination. What else?
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice. What else?
Reading books.
Focus. Determination, sacrifice, focus. These are important habits that will help you remain a champion. Because sinasabing become, remain. Because you are already a champion. Now, when you know the habits that will help you become or remain a champion, let us talk about the habits that will not help you become a champion. Ano yung mga habits na hindi tutulong sa iyo para manatili kang champion? Number one, procrastination. Number two,
Negativity.
ants. Negativity is ants. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng ants? Automatic negative thoughts. To a lot of people, it's a habit. When you say habit, unconscious action. Hindi na pinag-iisipan. Automatic na lang lumalabas. Having a habit of thinking negatively will definitely not help you become or remain a champion. Sige nga, sino sa inyo rito ang pwede magsabi that you can build a positive life with a negative mindset? Sino sa inyo rito na negative ang buhay na gusto? If you don't want a negative life, you must have good habits. People don't decide their future. People decide their habits, and their habits decide their future. I'll give you another example. Sabi, procrastination. Habit yan ang karamihan. Manya ng habit. Bukas na lang. Tama. Tama po ba yan?
Yes.
Okay, tanong. How many believe that it's your decision to be here? How many believe that it's your decision to be? You are here because you decided to be here. Pakita sa kanan. Yung pong nagtataas, ano po kayo naituna? Napilit, nahina, kaya kayo dito. Okay. Hindi mali yung sagot niyo. Let's elevate that further. While it is true that you have made the decision to be here, kung hindi kayo para dito sa event na to, life will bring you somewhere else. Tama? Kung hindi ka para dito sa training na to ngayong hapon, maraming gagawin ang buhay para hindi ka makarating dito. You guys agree? So more than your decision to be here, you are here because you are chosen to be here. Because sa dami ng pwedeng pagdalan sa iyo ni God, pwede kang itapon sa iba, pwede kang dalhin ni God sa ibang lugar, God chose you to be here. That's why you are here. Ano ba yung mga habits na hindi makatulong sa inyo na finally you need to decide to get rid of these habits out of your life? Number two, yung habit ng pagdududa. Yung iba sa inyo hindi alam na habit yun yan. Procrastination. What do you think is the cause of procrastination?
Doubt.
Procrastination is a direct product of fear. Kaya yung tao nagpo-procrastinate dahil natatakot gawin yung alam nila kailangan nilang gawin. Tama?
Yes.
Prospecting is one of the most important skill that you need to learn. Kasi kung wala kang prospects, wala kang lalatagan. Tama? That's why we say, your prospect list is the key to your wealth. Pero, instead na mag-prospect ka, anong ginagawa mo? Nag-iimbento ka ng mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin para iwasan ng prospect. Hindi, sabi kasi mag-training. So, nag-aaral muna ako. Sabi kasi mag-aaral ng mga leaks. Nandun lang, busy sa YouTube. Gumagaling, walang kausap. Ano pa yung habit na kailangan niyong tanggalin? Yung habit ng judgment. Mabilis ka mag-judge sa tao. Kahit hindi mo kakilala yung buong pagkatao ng tao, based on initial impression, nag-judge ka na agad. Is it a habit that will help you remain a child? You need to be aware. Kailangan fully aware ka. Bakit? You need to be aware of the many, many habits that you need to get rid of your life because these habits are no longer helping you. Maliwanag po ba sa inyo?
Yes.
Pero kapag isang habit, mag-violate, alam mo, pag tinanggal mo, mag-iiba ang direksyon ng buhay mo. Give me an example. Ano sa palagay mo yung isang habit na pag tinanggal mo sa listahan ng napakaraming habit mo sa katawan mo, magsisimulang magbago ang buhay mo for the better? Ang sabi niya, walang negative habit. Or negativity is no longer going to be part of our life. Alam mo ba kung anong habit ang kailangan niyang tanggalin sa buhay mo? Ikaw lang. Alam mo ba kung anong isang habit, pag tinanggal mo, your life will start changing for the better. So that means, ganun din. Thinking negatively is a habit to a lot of people. That's why they're having a hard time building a positive life. Last, kuya, ano ang isang habit na pag tinanggal mo sa buhay mo, your life will start changing for the better? Negative instead. Ito magandang tanong. Ito mga negativities na ayaw niyong bitawan will help you build your dreams. These negativities will not help you live the life of your dreams, and yet you don't want to let them go. Does it make sense? Yes. Gusto mong mabago ang buhay mo, pero ayaw mong baguhin yung mga habits na nakasanayan mo na hindi na nakakatulong sa buhay mo. Tama? Ano pa yung ibang habit? Nako! Sino nagsabi nun? Si Dayan. Can you guys help me welcome my daughter? She's attending a day. Hello mga baby. She's my next diamond. And I'm just really thankful kasi lahat ng mga materials ko, lahat ng mga products ko, gumagawa ako. So, thank you dahil nagbabago na rin yung habits niya. Dati, ang habit niya, maglaro ng online games. Ngayon, nagpapasa na ng libro. Is reading your habit part of your habit?
Yes.
Yung pagbabasa po ba ng mga bagay na makakatulong sa inyo para mag-transform ang buhay niyo ay bahagi ng habit niyo? Yes. Bahagi? Yes. Sino sa inyo nagbabasa at least 5 to 10 pages every single day? Pakitas po yung kamay. 5 to 10 pages daily. Very good. Let me ask you a question. What do you think is the difference between someone who doesn't read and someone who doesn't know how to read? What do you think is the difference between someone who knows how to read and yet doesn't read and someone who doesn't know how to read? Wala silang magkakaiba. Marunong ka magbasa, hindi ka nagbabasa. Yung isa naman, hindi nagbabasa kasi hindi marunong magbasa. Wala magkakaiba. So again, I'd like you to be fully aware. Kailangan aware ka. Klaro sa'yo, ano ang mga habits na kailangan ko nang baguhin simula ngayong araw na to so that I can be a multi-millionaire. Alam niyo, dati hindi ko habit magbasa. Isa sa mga libro na may nagpahiram sa akin ng libro. Sabi, bro, basahin ito, napakaganda nitong libro na ito. Alam niyo yung Da Vinci Code na libro? Wala pang 3 pages, sinantok na ako. Because hindi klaro sa akin bakit kailangan ko magbasa. I needed to change that a habit so that I will fall in love with reading. Now, I finish a book in 1 week. Bakit po importante na ma-develop ko yung habit na yun? Because I want to be a billionaire. And I can only become a billionaire when I develop the habits of billionaires. Maliwanag po. Kaya sinasabi ko, be fully present, be fully immersed. Hindi pwede nandito ka nakatingin ka sa akin, naririnig mo yung sinasabi ko, hindi mo nina-digest. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, people don't decide their future. People decide their habits, and then their habits decide their future. Sobrang simple. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, therefore, is not an act. It is a habit. Third, attitude. Ano ang attitude ng champion? Sige nga, give me one. Ano ang attitude ng champion? Determined. Number 2.
Discipline.
Discipline. Number 3.
Always show up.
Always show up.
Positive outlook.
Positive outlook. You know, when you talk about professionalism, kanina si Brother Eric yata yung tanong. Are we all professionals here?
Yeah.
Can we say with conviction that we are professional network builders?
Yes.
When you are a professional, the show must go on no matter.
Always.
You keep showing up. You don't show up because you're motivated. You are motivated because you keep showing up. Correct. Ano pa? Attitude determined. But this is the question. How will you know the meaning of determination without the temptation to give up? Hindi. Paano mo malalaman ang totoong ibig sabihin ng determinasyon kung hindi ka natutukso na sumuko? Tama. So, when there are temptations around you, tempting you to doubt, tempting you to give up, tempting you to quit, it is life's way of teaching you how to be determined. Tama. You know, when you ask God for strength, He will give you. He will give you challenges so that you learn how to be strong. When you ask God for wisdom, He will give you problems to solve. When you ask God for courage, He will give you dangers to overcome. When you ask God for love, He will give you troubled people to help. Every single morning when you wake up, you are given a clean slate. You're not given a bad day or you're not given a good day. You're given a day. Your attitude will determine if it's going to be a positive day or a very positive day. Notice nyo wala negative day. Every day when you wake up, you have a choice. Will you make that day a positive day or a very positive day?
Very positive day.
Are you guys learning so far?
Yes.
Lapit na po ako matapos. 3 oras ka na. Attitude. Alam niyo yung dati, when I'm still active in my corporate career, and every time we hire new employees, we hire based on attitude, not based on skills. Why? Mas madali kong ituro yung skills kesa palitan ang pag-uugali ng isang tao.
Yes.
You have all the best skills you have, but when you have a rotten attitude, you will not get anywhere. Ito malupit. Makalimutan to. This happened 2000, 2001. Can you imagine 23 years ago? Hindi na memorize ko pa. But Eric, ang isa sa mga mentor ko si Pastor Dave. Mahal na mahal ko siya until now. Sa comfort room niya, sa ground floor, pag jingle ka, di ba nakatayo ka doon? Ay, minsan nakapag yata si Jason ng jingle. Alam niyo may poster doon nakalagay. Nakalagay doon sa poster sa wall. Attitudes are contagious. Is yours worth catching? Ang pag-uugali po ay nakakahawa. Ang tanong, kung yung ugali mo ay kinopya lahat ng tao sa network mo, is it going to be an exclusive network or your network will collapse because they copied your attitude? Hindi kailangan baguhin. Kasi dapat yung attitude mo, pag nahawa mo yung iba, lahat sila araw-araw magsisigaw, exciting! Exciting! Yes! Exciting! Yes! Listen na natin. Tapos tayo. Ito ang pinakamalupit niya. Attitude of gratitude brings you to the space of gratitude. Listen to this kasi importante po itong sabihin ko bago ko tapusin. When you are feeling gratitude, your body is in a perfect state of receiving. So can you guys say thank you? Thank you! Say it from your heart.
Thank you!
So, sa karamihan ng tao, alam niyo ba, sa karamihan ng tao, 3 bagay ang hirap na hirap silang sabihin. 3 bagay ang hirap na hirap silang gamitin. Number 1 is the word please. Yung ibang tao hirap na hirap gumamit ng please. Number 2 is the words thank you. Yung ibang tao magpapasalamat na lang, hindi pa magawa. And number 3, yung pinakamahirap, I'm sorry. Next, momentum. Can you guys say momentum? Again! Again! Momentum is leader's best friend. But momentum is a double-edged sword. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Momentum can help you explode your business. Momentum can also be the reason why your business collapses. Bakit? Kung yung positivity po nagmo-momentum, yung negativity nagmo-momentum din. Tama? Yung isang positive na ikalat dito, yung isang negative na ikalat dito. Na ikalat dito, na ikalat dito. Positive news, travel fast. Bad news, travel fast. Correct? So kailangan alam nyo ano yung kinakalat nyo. Tama po ba yan? Yes! Hindi na matapos kasi pinamadali na ako ng presentasyon. Ganda nito While good leaders sustains momentum, great leaders increase it. Now when it comes to momentum, there are several types of people. Number 1, momentum takers. May kakilala ba kayong ganyan? Nang-aagaw ng momentum. Number 2, momentum breaker. Kasi mga tao iiwasan niya, may momentum ka, doon napatikit ka lang sa kanya, momentum mo nawala. And number 3, momentum maker. Which one will you be? Momentum taker, momentum breaker, or momentum maker? Which one? Momentum maker. Let's go! Prepare to win. A lot of people have the will to win. A lot of people have the will to win. Very few have the will to prepare. What you're doing now in this room, attending this training, is part of your preparation. What you're experiencing in life is part of your preparation, especially when you keep the right mental attitude. Correct?
Yes.
It's better to be prepared and not have an opportunity as compared to having an opportunity and not be prepared. Listen. When opportunity comes, it's too late to prepare. Your job is to keep on preparing so that when opportunity comes, you can seize the moment. Right? Okay, let's go. Pakibasa.
Prepare and prevent. Don't prepare and repent.
Leaders,
Be prepared.
anticipate. Losers, react. Right? So part of anticipation is preparing. Every single day, you are being prepared for the empire that you are building. Can we give Brother Shanghai another round of big applause, please? Because this guy is relentless in giving each one of you an opportunity to be prepared so that one day you will have the chance to enjoy living the life of your dreams and actually inspire others and expand your impact. Right? Integrity. Ano ibig sabihin niyan? Walking your talk. It's hard to be consistent. Ako po, I can honestly say, listen, I am consistently inconsistent. Madaling sabihin kasi yung consistency na word or consistent. Pero hindi siya madaling gawin. Our job is to continuously lessen the gap between what we say and what we do. So pag sinabi mo, paglabas mo dito, grabe, nakakabaliw yung mga sinabi ni Green Time o Jane. Grabe, ang dami kong natutunan kay Coach Process, kay Coach Jason, kay Engineer G, kay Engineer Eric. Grabe, ang dami kong natutunan. Hahataw na talaga ako. Pagkatapos ng isang linggo, nawala na yung motivation, hindi na naman umataw. Integrity. Your word is your bond. When you say you're gonna do something, you do it even if there's no one watching. Tama po yan? Correct? Yes. Parang konti lang nakaintindi ko siya. Yes. You are what you do, not what you say you do. Ownership. Meron ba kayong ownership sa negosyo niyo? You are a business partner. Therefore, you are a business owner. As a business owner, it is your primary responsibility to learn how you can fully maximize your leverage to all the support system available for you. Tama. Tama, Tita Baby. Di ba pagka business owner ka, hindi ka naghihintay ng utos? Kasi until now, when you're still waiting for your coaches to tell you what to do, you are not carrying the mindset of a business owner. You are carrying an employee's mindset. Real success comes when you take ownership of your actions. Lahat ng ginagawa mo, inaari mo. Why? Katulad ng sinabi ni Coach Shanghai kanina, success or your success is your responsibility. Maniwala po? Yes. Let's go. Na. Yesterday is the past. Tomorrow is still a mind movie that has yet to be filled. Yet, we have this moment. Yesterday is a cancelled check. Tomorrow is still a promissory note. Today is the only cash you have. Use it wisely. So when will you decide? When will you decide to remain a champion? When? 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 When?
No!
You're not shouting, you're not saying that because I'm asking you to. You are expressing this because you believe from the deepest level of your heart. Now is your time, and your time is now. Do it now. Sometimes later becomes never. Right? So, to sum it up, here's our motto. 1, clarity. Second, habits. 3, attitude. 4, momentum. 5th, prepare to win. I, integrity. O, ownership. And now. Can I ask everybody to stand up? Everybody, let's stand up. To close my session, I'd like everybody to be silent when you're listening to this song. I'd like you to be silent. It would be a lot better when you close your eyes for a few seconds only. Close your eyes. And while your eyes are closed, I want you to see in your mind and with your heart that today you are already living the life of your dreams. You are already earning your dream income. Today I'd like you to see, I'd like you to hear, I'd like you to feel your happiness. I'd like you to hear what your families are saying to you because they're so proud that you are finally a champion of your life, a champion of your family, and a champion of your team. I'd like you to really feel in your heart. Listen to your heart. God will never plant seeds of dreams in your heart without first giving you the ability to make these dreams happen. What you need to live a life of significance, success, and impact are things that are already given to you by God ahead of time. And as you feel these emotions that will change your life for the better, I'd like you to say to yourself, silent, I am a champion and my time is now. Say it silently in your heart and in your mind. I am a champion and my time is now. Say it in your heart and in your mind. I am a champion and my time is now. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. And as you remember this feeling, I am challenging you to declare these words loudly. Come on, say it.
I am a champion!